Mas nagiging agresibo na nga ang China mula sa paggawa ng mga istruktura sa West Philippine Sea hanggang sa pagpapatrolya nito sa inaangkin nilang teritoryo. May magagawa pa nga ba rito ang Pilipinas? Pag-uusapan natin kasama ang UH Resident Analyst, Professor Winnie Monsod. Good morning, Maring Winnie.
Good morning, Susan. Good morning, mga kapuso. Kailangan natin malaman, mga kapuso, na yan teritoryong yan, hindi Chinese territory yan. Bakit? Lahat ng mga mapa ng China from the year 1000 up to now, up to 1949, hindi nakakasama yan. Ang pinaka-southernmost tip ng China, Hainan Province. Ayan ang sinasabi yan ni Justice Antonio Carpio, tagal-tagal na. Wala, in other words, that is not their territory, not by historical incident, not by invasion. Kininong teritoryo yan? Ating teritoryo yan. Kaya ang ginagawa nila dyan, parang they have invaded us. Anong reaction natin? Anong sinasabi ng ating mga kongresista? Anong sinasabi ng mga ating mga citizens na of Chinese origin? At worst, anong sinasabi natin mga Pilipino? Wala, parang wala sa atin. Bakit inaangkin ng China yan? Hindi lang natural resources, mineral resources, hindi lang fish, mineral resources. Ang lawak-lawak ng, what they are stealing from us, stealing ang sinasabi ko.
Ninanakaw.
Talaga. Wala tayong ginagawa. Bakit hindi tayo nag-iimbestigasyon kagaya sa Mama Sapano? Nako, ayun.
At kaugnay niya, Maring Winnie, makakapanayam natin si AFP Chief General Gregorio Pio Katapang Jr. Magandang umaga po, General Katapang.
Ay, ma'am, good morning po sa inyong lahat.
Good morning, General. Hindi ba ang strategy ng Pilipinas isa lang daw ang dapat magsalita, yung Department of Foreign Affairs? Bakit niyo hong nakuhang magsalita for the Army?
Kasi po, ma'am, talagang very alarming na po, and I might be at fault or remiss of my job. At kailangan po kasi malaman ng taong bayan yung extent po nito, yung kahalagahan po nito, dahil bukod sa they are disturbing the area, na yung kapakanan na po ng mga fishermen natin ang nakataya dito. And I think as protector of the people and the state, trabaho po namin ipaalam itong nangyayari pong mga dito sa West Philippine Sea.
Pero ang inaalala niyo lang ba yung kapakanan ng ating mga fishermen? Hindi ba napakayaman yung area na yan?
Opo, napakayaman po ng area na yan. And yung biodiversity po dyan, at saka yung ecological balance. You can just imagine, hinigop nila yung mga lupa sa ilalim and then itinambak para makagawa ng island o artificial island. So talaga pong naapektuhan yung mga mineral
General
resources po dyan sa area
General
na yan.
Katapang, ang laki-laki na ng buildings niyang na ginagawa ng China. Bakit ngayon lang na napakalaki na ang ginagawa? Bakit hindi kayo nagsalita nung una pa, nung nagbi-build sila? Ang laki na niyan eh. Hindi pwedeng matagal na yung ginagawa, hindi ba? Why did it take you this long to speak? Since you are the protector of the people.
We just have to wait for ang lead po dyan sa pag-a-announce is the DFA. And we'd like to help the DFA explain to the public because this has some military implications. So all the while, they are doing it in a diplomatic, yung UNCLOS, rule of law. This time, I think it's incumbent upon the armed forces to also say its piece.
Tingin mo na, General Katapang,
ng ating taong bayan.
General Katapang, mababomba nyo ba yan? Mababomba nyo ba? Can you bomb that place? That's supposed to be ours eh. Hindi ba? That's supposed to be ours. Why? Can you tell me why the Philippine Army does not bomb that place? That does not belong to the Chinese. Wala silang they have no right to it except na sinasabi nila.
Nagkaroon na po kasi nung standoff dyan doon sa Scarborough Shoal. And nagkaintindihan po yan na pag umalis tayo, aalis din ng China. And it was,
Okay, ayun nga General Katapang.
brokered by somebody else. But unfortunately, China did not keep its promise.
Ay, di naisahan.
Naisahan tayo.
Naisahan.
Ganyang kalaki. Ano ang magagawa ninyo? I mean, aside from talking, because that's what I can do, is talk. But you have arms. What can you do? Is it within the power? Is it the decision of the Philippines not to do anything but talk?
Well, foreign policy is in the area of the Department of Foreign Affairs. And what we are just doing is showing the extent
Yeah.
and the massive reclamation in the area. So that the entire Filipino people will band together and make a common stand.
Okay.
Tama po kayo, medyo hati-hati pa po tayo dito at hindi naintindihan na maigi kasi hindi malayo sa ating lugar at ang mga fishermen lang po ang naapektuhan.
Okay.
So, dapat po isang bansa ang magsasalita.
Tama.
We have a united voice.
Tama. Oo, dapat tayo demonstrate, At saka yung mga
Opo.
Chinese citizens natin, dito pa, Okay.
Opo.
What does the Balikatan exercises have to do with this thing? Ang laki-laki na ngayon ng Balikatan exercises.
Yan, nag-start
you
na
have,
yan.
you have more American soldiers than Filipino soldiers in this Balikatan. Anong epekto nun? Are you
reason
trying to
po
send a
kasi,
message?
Yan po, ma'am. Yung sinasabi ko that the world has become so global and multi-connected, and the problems of the world has become also global. Just imagine yung global terrorism. You see, Marwan, a single terrorist coming from Malaysia,
Ay, nako.
bringing a lot of trouble in our country. And then yung nga po yung
No, the
second
question
climate
is,
change.
the question is general.
Pag may pumasok na bagyo na malakas, tatatamaan tayo. And then this one is maritime concern.
Oh,
And
the
then, of
question
course,
is,
the transnational crime.
General, the question
Opo,
is,
ma'am.
why are there so many American soldiers, more American soldiers than Filipino soldiers in these joint exercises? Do you
Ay, hindi po,
have,
mas marami po yung Pilipino.
ay sabi na rin, nabasa ko, 6,000 Americans, 5,000
O,
Filipinos.
tayo po, they are about 5,000. Tayo, we are about 6,000.
Ah,
And then
ganon.
there are so many foreign countries like Japan,
That's
South Korea,
double the size of the Balikatan exercises
Indonesia,
last year.
and other ASEAN countries. They would want to be part of it. Unfortunately, they don't have yung visiting forces agreement or SOFA. Now that we have a SOFA with Australia, they are coming in with a minimum amount of 70 soldiers. But that will become bigger as our exercises continue.
Okay, maraming salamat po. At abangan na lang natin kung kailan matatapos yung tinatay sa struktura. Di ba? Kasi gusto ko sana itanong.
Yun, gusto ko lang malaman if the Balikatan exercises had anything to do
with
the hindi ko
Regular po yan. But
makasagot.
this time, it's about maritime security ang topic.
Okay.
Last year, it talks about disaster response. Ngayon, ang focus ng maritime security.
Okay.
So, maraming aeroplano, maraming barko na nag-participate.
Thank you,
Sige.
General Katapang.
Salamat po, AFP Chief
Thank you rin
General
po, ma'am. Good morning.
Gregorio Pio Katapang Jr. At
Mga
syempre, kay
kapuso,
Maring Winnie.
kayo na lang bahala. Ha? Kailangan talaga tayo
Ano to,
mag-demonstrate.
Maring Winnie,
Hindi
hintayin na
pwede.
lang natin kung kailan matatapos yung mga struktura.
Ay,
Maraming
Hindi pwede.
salamat po.